Hello, my name is Charles Harding, and I'm going to be walking you through how to create a special request in regards to submitting a custom 3D fabrication request for Chuganation 3D Lab to print. We offer competitive pricing, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is come to our website, chuganationlabs.com. Then navigate to the top menu, Special Requests. This video covers Submit Fabrication Request, so let's click on it. We offer custom 3D fabrication services for our customers. If you have a file that you would like us to print, this is the form that you need to complete. There are several sections, but we tried to group them to make it feel as ergonomic as possible. We will not resell this model or resell fabricated versions of this model for any reason. This is simply just, hey, I want you to print this file. We'll print it, send you the fabrication, delete the files, etc. Alright, so let's cover steps you take. Under quantity to fabricate, this is how many physical tangible versions of each individual item that is inside of the file. So if you have a .3mf file and it has a base and a top, if you click on one, that's going to be one base and one top. In the example that I'm about to upload, I have one D-Light Ghost that has the black eyes and the black nose and the white shell. I want 10 of those. So contact, email, or phone number. This basically just says, I want you to contact me at this email address and then copy me my account on it. It just defaults to your account. Expect it to be mailed by date. This is the date that you would like us to finish processing by. We offer 5 to 10 day window, just to give us a couple of weeks in order to. You can either get it ASAP, which is 5 days, or give it a little window, which is a little bit longer. So right now, let's choose the 3D file. This could be a STL, step, .3mf, .dxf, .mcx, .gcode. I happen to have a .3mf. Keep in mind that these have to be lower than or equal to 20 megabytes of data in size. Alright, so the next thing we can do, you can either skip to material selection if you don't want to modify any of the properties. I'm going to do that in this tutorial, but then I'm going to go back to the optional properties. If you have a file that is not picky, I'm not picky for this one, so I'm going to skip to material selection. My customization note, I'm going to leave that one blank. I'm going to tab over to the painting instructions because there are multiple. It's going to require that I put filament instructions on there. I'm going to say reference .3mf file and paint and color match to the file itself. Lighter color in slot 1 should be represented the white, and the color in slot 2 should be represented black. Alright, so now let me select my filament. Just click on this. Here is our entire catalog. If you wanted to filter it, you can just type in anything in this little box here, and it will filter it for you. So I actually just want a white color. Another thing to keep in mind is you cannot cross PLA and ASA. One of our team members will reach out to you for confirmation as to which material you'd like to use, but we do not currently swap between the two for various reasons. Main one being that there's a vast temperature difference between the two, which would cause problems. So currently for this video, we're going to go with a white color and a black color. Okay, so I've got my two filaments selected. Going to continue to request summary. And now you can see an overview of everything that I have entered into the form so far. And then it allows you buttons to edit each individual section that you've gone through. So currently you can edit the X dimension length, the Y dimension length, how tall the object is in the Z direction, and then the estimated weight for the entire print, how much filament is going to be consumed. All of these you don't have to specify, but they do help our team kind of process your file a little bit better according to what you need. Same for the advanced properties section. This allows you, especially if you're wanting maybe more strength, maybe you want us to do it differently than we normally do it, this would be the section that you need to change those settings for. We're always going to contact you with a preview and get confirmation from you before we continue. We won't be able to start your fabrication until payment has been received. So in order to accept all of this information, I will check the little box, and then this becomes available. So I'm going to create custom fabrication order. Depending on your network, this may be relatively quick, this may be slow. Just click it once, give it a few minutes, probably about 5 to 10 minutes at most. It should not take that long. But if it does, be patient, bear with us. Then it should come up and say your order's been submitted, this is your order ID. Just hit OK, and then it'll take you to the screen. I have a lot of requests into the system myself. This is how it's going to show up in your account. It'll show you the name of your file, what is the status, how many fabrications you've requested, how many versions, or how many fabricated items. So what filaments that you want us to use, any filament instructions that you've applied, any customization notes that you've applied, and etc. So that's it for submitting a custom fabrication request. If you have any files and you want us to print it, we'll be more than happy to serve you in that way. We look forward to seeing what all you guys submit. Have a great day.